your local weather authority with Chief Meteorologist Jesse Walker.
Welcome back, everybody. Quick look into the tropical Atlantic. Nothing big shaking. A lot of moisture down here along the Texas coast into Louisiana. And look up here, all the way up here in northern Indiana, northern Illinois, some big-time thunderstorms firing up. Everybody's been talking about this dust. We've seen more brilliant sunsets and sunrises in the south. Yesterday at this time, I was showing you one from down here in Alabama. Well, the dust has been a little thicker there, but some of it has filtered up into this area, not nearly as much as the south. And here's getting into Monday and then into Tuesday and Wednesday. It will kind of disperse a little bit, but it's still going to be around there for a while. No major problems with that, though, as far as anything goes with the weather or anything like that locally. And this is one of our sunsets that we had this evening. This is in Belmore, Indiana. Scott Fosdick sent this in to me. Belmore, by the way, would be if you take 59 north of Brazil and you get up to 36, it'd be up in that area, so it'd be up there in Park County. But again, you can see all the oranges and the reds, so thanks to Scott for that. And also I wanted to show you this. Chuck Reinhardt sends in a lot of pictures. This one's cool. This was last night when we had the crescent moon. And this is the moon, by the way, doesn't emit light. This is reflected sunlight here that you're seeing off the moon. But this, we call this earth shine. That's actually reflected light off the earth, and then it shows up on part of the moon. So if you've ever wondered how you can see part of the moon, it's actually reflected light from the earth called earth shine, and you can see part of that. How about the temperatures today? We hit 90, fifth time so far this summer. We've hit 90, 33 times would be the average for the area. And look at these dew points. They're going to be really high over the weekend into the first of next week, so it's going to be very uncomfortable. And that's also going to lead to the possibility of more rain as well. We need rain. Latest drought monitor indicates much of the valleys in what we call abnormally dry status. Not drought, but abnormally dry status. But more rain is on the way. We'll show you that here in just a little bit. There it is. We hit 90 for the high today. 70 has been our low. No rain here. There were a few places north that picked up a little light shower during the early to mid-morning hours, but we didn't get anything here at the TV station today. Sunrise, sunset for tomorrow, and there's the river stage in Terre Haute, 6.2. It's on the way down. Right now at the airport in Terre Haute, boy, it's still warm. 80 degrees out there. There's a heat index, 83, and the winds are southwest at 13 miles per hour. Pressure down some with a cold front now getting closer to the area. Again, temperatures are really warm. We're near 80 degrees across the valley. On the water vapor satellite, you can see this deeper moisture to the north of this area. That's where we've seen some of these big storms tonight, but they are primarily moving to the east, but a little bit of that may have a bit of a south drift to it later on during the overnight. You can see here, nothing going on, but way, way north of here, big-time thunderstorms. So on the Dorsa Automotive Doppler radar, we're fine. No problems here, but we're going to take you up north. Big-time storms from northern Illinois all the way into northern Indiana, where there's been some wind damage and a lot of lightning, heavy rain. But again, it's primarily moving east. A little bit of that may try to drift to the south, but it will also be weakening some overnight. So for us, nothing now. As we get into the overnight hours, we may see a few of these little showers pop into the area. I think the better chances, though, will be into the afternoon tomorrow. And some of these may be a bit strong in the afternoon hours. And then even as we get into the day Sunday, some scattered showers and some thunderstorms will be around, although I think they'll be more widespread tomorrow than they will be on Sunday. But both days, we do have a chance of some more rain. So here's your forecast for tonight then. Any rain will be late overnight, dropping to 73. During the day tomorrow, scattered showers and storms most likely in the afternoon and evening. Not as hot, 83. And after that, we'll continue with scattered showers and storms for Sunday into the first of next week. Highs back near 90 next week. Looks like somewhat drier weather by late next week. That's a wrap on the forecast. We'll head over to Grant.
Hey, thanks.